Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about coffee and tea basics. And so we are going to talk about one of the most heavily used ingredients in many of my drinks here at Chao, and that is vanilla syrup. Some of you have noticed that I use my own homemade vanilla syrups when I make frap drinks. This time I'm going to share with you how I make them. Why do you make your own vanilla syrup and how does it differ from, say, a Starbucks vanilla syrup? First, the cost will be cheaper. You can actually cut the cost of your vanilla syrup by about 60%. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you the costing at the end of this video. A sample vanilla syrup, this is about 750 ml of vanilla syrup, Monin, costs about 425 to about 500 pesos per bottle. A Starbucks vanilla syrup, half of this bottle, which is 375 ml, is about 220 to 250 pesos. Now, making one full bottle of this using your own homemade vanilla syrup will cost only about 130 to 150 pesos. And I'm talking about vanilla syrups that are premium quality. The ingredients that I am going to use are again very simple, may not be easily accessible, but you can also place an order for the ingredient using Shopee or Lazada in Philippines. For the ingredients, very simple, only 3 major ingredients: sugar, water, and vanilla. Now for the vanilla, there are many different types of vanilla. This is one sample, which is actually a vanilla flavor. It is not an extract. One bottle of this would cost about 400 pesos. And also we have the pure vanilla extract, which is only 29 ml, which is equivalent to about 2 tablespoons. Now this one in Philippines is quite costly. It's about 760 pesos for just this very small bottle. And so I am not going to use this. I am going to use a pure natural vanilla bean. There are also local brands like Farna that comes in these types of bottles, and they're very cheap. Once again, I wouldn't recommend it as your main ingredient for your homemade coffee and tea vanilla syrup, but instead we are going to use real natural vanilla bean. Vanilla bean comes in this package and mostly come from Madagascar or Indonesia. For the recipe that I'm going to show you today, I am going to use a combination of vanilla beans, natural vanilla beans from Madagascar, and also some vanilla flavor. Where can you find vanilla beans? You can order this on Shopee or Lazada and cost from about 100 pesos to about 300 pesos for a single pot. If you want to cut the cost of your vanilla syrup, you might want to just use the ones that are sold for about 100 pesos. For my coffee and tea syrups, I prefer to make them concentrated as opposed to simple syrup. This means I use a ratio of 2:1, 2 parts sugar and 1 part water. This way, when I mix the syrups with my drinks, I do not need to use a lot of the syrup, which potentially dilutes my drinks. For the sugar in this recipe, I am going to use a combination of white and brown sugar. This is so that my resulting vanilla syrup will turn golden and will smell better. For the water, I'm going to use slightly more than 1 cup to allow for evaporation. Into the saucepan, let's put the water in, followed by the 2 cups of sugar, the vanilla bean pods and the seeds. Whisk them together. Then turn the heat on medium-high. Bring the mixture to a boil. Simmer on low heat for 5 minutes to make it more syrupy. By then, the sugar would have been fully dissolved. Remove from the heat. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. Let it cool down, soaking the vanilla bean more in the mixture. Strain onto a bottle. The resulting syrup should last without refrigeration for at least 1 month. Mine lasts longer than a month, so maybe yours would too. As you can see, because we use vanilla beans, you will see some of the seeds on the bottle here, and that just makes it perfectly delicious. And our resulting vanilla is a little bit on the dark side. If you would like it to be more clear, then you can skip the brown sugar and use purely white sugar. The reason why I use brown sugar is that it adds to the beautiful smell of the resulting syrup. So there you have it, very simple procedure to make your own homemade vanilla syrup. Let's see how it smells like. Vanilla. And the taste, because we use natural vanilla beans, this should taste absolutely fantastic. It tastes almost like pure vanilla. Let's put it in our bottle. And because I have a one-size-fits-all pump here, I can simply use this and it's perfect. This bottle is 1 liter, so it's not full because we only made about 680 ml of vanilla syrup. So you can double the proportion or triple the proportion as you like or as you see fit. Now, can you use 1 vanilla pod for a few bottles? Well, the taste of the vanilla might deteriorate, but surely you can give it a try. For the costing for this vanilla syrup, 1 pod should be about 100 pesos, sugar is about 24 pesos, your vanilla flavor is about 10 pesos, making the total to 134 pesos. So this one is about 134 pesos. Definitely much cheaper than buying store-bought or commercially available vanilla syrups. I'm so excited to start using this for my drink. I'm going to show you when I use it. For this video tutorial, that's all I would like to share with you. Give this a try at home. Let me know how it goes for you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get updated each time I publish a video. So once again, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.